Hey folks, welcome back. This is your old pal Hondo doing another review on a product. This is a product that I ordered online. This is the bilt drill attachment for a quick starter. This is it right here. The product number on that is 49mascbp966. It'll go on to pretty much any 12 volt electrical drill to help you start your bilt weed whackers. I've been having issues with my bilt weed whacker with the pull start being messed up, so this may be a good fix for that. We're going to try it out, see if it actually works or not, and give it my seal of approval if it does. You have to put it in the drill bit, this end, and this end right here goes into the back of the machine and starts it up. We'll try it out. Okay, show you how it works. Put the jump start into a regular 12 volt drill. Jump start is what it's called, the jump start right here. We're going to try to start this baby up. Make sure you got it primed and ready to go. Okay, here we go. There we go. Started right up. Okay, it started right up. The only downside about this is I'll have to carry this drill with the weed whacker if I'm going to go on a job with it. So, yeah, it works after the second attempt. We'll try it again. Second attempt, started right back up again. Try that again. You have to lay it on its side to get this to work. Okay, the jump start drill bit attachment does work, so there you go. My final thoughts on the jump start drill bit attachment for the bilt MTD Cub Gadget type of weed whackers. It works, and it may fix your nagging little pull start problem on most of your MTD weed whackers. I like it. I give it a seal of approval. But just be very careful when you're using it to have it running on right to left. Is it a 100% alternative to maybe buying one of those little cheaper 12 volt batteryless jump starters? Maybe, maybe not, but it gives you a lot more torque than, say, the little cheap jump starters they sell that are 40 bucks. So yeah, go ahead and get it. Check it out. Give you the product number. I'll leave everything in the description where to find this cool little product out. Y'all take it easy. It's been your old pal Hondo from Hillbilly Tactical on another gadget review. Y'all take it easy. Peace out, YouTube. Oop, started. Didn't hold in there very good. Having a hard time staying on there.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.